Good morning, children. Now here is geography lesson number 2, children, inside our earth. So children, we are going to learn about what lies inside our earth. The earth, our homeland, is a dynamic, unique planet because it has land, water, air to sustain life. Our earth originates some 5 billion years ago. Earlier, it was very hot, but slowly it cooled and acquired the present form. The earth always undergoes changes inside the earth and outside the earth. The changes like an earthquake, floods, tsunami, volcanic eruption, etc. These are some changes that occur inside the earth and on the surface of the earth. So these are called as changes. Have you ever thought, children, what lies inside the earth and what our earth is made up of? So children, you might have seen an onion. See children, I am showing here onion. Yes. If you cut this onion, what you can see, children, here? So if you cut, you can see in this way different layers. So same, children, here in the same way the earth also has different layers. Just I am showing here, children, on the board like 1, 2, 3 like that. So there are many different layers the earth consists. Then what are these layers known as? They are known as here crust, mantle and core. Now let us learn about one after the other. First we are going to learn about crust. The crust is the uppermost layer of the earth's surface. It is solid and thinnest layer of the earth. It consists 0.5% of the volume and it consists continental masses and oceanic floor. From 35 km from the crust, it consists continental masses and 5 km on the oceanic floor. The crust is also made up of many minerals. For example, like here, silica and alumina. It consists on the continental masses and it is known as SiAl. S-I-A-L. That means here silica and alumina. And on the oceanic floor, it consists silica and magnesium. And thus it is known as Silma. S-I-M-A. That means Si means silica and Ma means magnesium. Just beneath the crust lies the mantle. Here, this is mantle. It is known as second layer. It is known as middle layer or just it lies beneath the crust. This is crust and this is mantle. It consists 16% of the volume and extends up to the depth of 2,900 km. And it consists many elements like basalt, granite, sodium, sulfur, magnesium, etc. And after the mantle, you will see the core, that is outer core and this is inner core. So it consists and extends up to nearly from 2,900 km to 6,400 km. That means from mantle to core, inner core. It consists 2,900 km to 6,400 km. And it is made up of generally nickel and iron, which is known as knife. Here NiFe, that means Ni means nickel and Fe means here ferrous, that is here iron. So these are different layers of the earth: crust, mantle and outer core and inner core. Outer core and inner core, that means the core consists here 83%, that means the volume of the core is 83%. So this is about the earth, children, interior of the earth. It is made up of many different layers, as we have learnt about the crust, mantle and core. And this is here core, children, here inner core and outer core. Now it has very high temperature and pressure. So one cannot go deep inside the earth, which is not possible at all. The radius of the earth consists here 6,371 kilometer. So this is all about the earth, children, inside the earth, and these are the different layers of the earth. So we call it as what, children, here? Interior of the earth. So children, here, as it is very high temperature the core consists, and as it has high pressure, so it is not possible for anyone to go here. So one has to here dug a deep hole to just to find out minerals here. So which is actually not possible, but here the explorers, the engineers, they are trying to explore more and more to find out about more and more minerals which are found interior of the earth. So this is all about, children, what we have learned today, that is interior of the earth. So children, here read textbook. Thank you.